How to fix Valorant crashing. I'm going to tell you how to fix Valorant crashing so you can get back in the game. First, make sure your graphic drivers are up to date. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software and check for updates. Next, run Valorant as an administrator by right-clicking the shortcut and selecting Run as an administrator. If the issue persists, disable background apps like Discord overlays or RGB software, as these can interfere with Valorant. Also, go to Task Manager, find Valorant and Riot Client, right-click, and set them to high priority. Another fix is to verify the game files. Open Riot Games, go to Valorant Settings, and click Repair to fix corrupted files. If all else fails, try reinstalling Valorant or updating Windows to ensure system compatibility.